All right, so I'm gonna try and replace this thing here. I bought the truck and this was like punched out. I got a new replacement part right here. So I got it off Amazon. We're gonna try and replace it. We'll see how it goes. I got basic trim tool stuff. This is actually from a bike, like replacing a bike, so we'll see if that's useful. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. All right, so the bike tool actually worked the best, and it looks like it just pops out right up there, but I'm gonna be real careful because I don't know what's under there. I tried it all the way around. I tried it like right here first, and then down here in this corner. I tried it here, and then when I went right here, it popped right out. All right, so I got two of them out. I got one there, one piece there, and if you look close, it looks like this is like another area right here. I'm gonna see if I can figure that out, and I'll show you. I'm trying to be real careful. All right, so once I kind of wedged it a little bit, I could just kind of pull it, and it's like coming out, but this side seems stuck, so I got to work this other side a little bit better. But this side came out. I'm assuming the other side is going to be just like it. So again, if I see something, I'll let you know. So once I pried that clip up, I just pulled it out, and there's a clip right there. So you have a clip there and a clip there, and then you can see it just comes right out. So now I'm just gonna unplug it, and then it should just go right back in. So I'm just gonna unplug it. Here, Josh, you wanna hold this here? So just kind of pulled it out here. Here's the new one. It's gonna slide right in like this. So you just pinch here and pull out, and then you can see there's a tab right there. Probably want to back up a little bit, bud?
Sorry.
That's okay. And there's two tabs on this side, and you can see that here, right? Two tabs here, one tab there. So I'm just gonna lift with my fingernails. I'm gonna lift and try and, oh, the ring came out, whatever that was.
I know, leave it there. Someone will probably come back for it. Get your bike and come on.
I'm just having a little trouble with this bottom one, and I don't want to break the plastic. I don't really need that, but thanks, buddy.
No, come back this way.
That side lifts easy. Man, thing sucks. It's this bottom one here. So maybe if I can just wedge it. No. See, like I just don't want to break that plastic. There we go. So that just popped out. And now I'm just gonna slide this one in. That clicks in. And then this clicks in here. We're in. Now ideally it just, so there you go, they got a clip there and a clip there. So we're just gonna, boom, shake weight, that's it. Easy peasy. Now we're gonna start it. There you go. Boom. And it works. Sweet.